What I'm about to walk you through is the exact content framework that got me and my clients over 6 million combined followers. It works for personal brands, it works for faceless theme pages, it works for small businesses, it works for everybody. And it's actually how you make content, whether you know it or not, that goes viral. Okay? Anybody that goes viral makes content like this, but they might not follow the exact framework, yada, yada. I'm going to break it down so you can follow it every single time. If you don't know who I am, my name is Nick. I run Launch Socials. I am the owner of Launch Socials. We are a consulting company that helps people grow on social media. I built millions of followers through my faceless Instagram pages. I built my agency. I've consulted hundreds of brands at this point. We use this system for every single one. So there's 4 boxes here, okay? And I want to break it down. I'm going to break it down like this so that, I'm going to draw that line. Everything above this right here, we're going to really bold this. Everything above this, okay, never changes. It always stays the same unless your avatar changes, right? So we're going to use an example, and we're going to say, let's say we're building a fitness brand. We'll say we're building a fitness brand as an example. Now, honestly, you should get out a piece of paper and follow along with this because you guys can do this for you. The avatar is going to be the characteristics, right? And what I mean by characteristics is just like, let's say it's male audience, and we're looking for men 25 to 40 years old. So they're starting their adult life, whatever, but they're not like super old yet. We're gonna say single. We'll say single. Actually, no, we're not gonna do that. That's a little too niche for me. We'll just say overweight. Is kind of the avatar here. And notice I'm not saying overweight and wants to lose weight, or overweight and not muscular and yada yada. I'm just saying overweight because we're just doing characteristics. We're not doing desires. That's going to come in emotions, okay? So it's overweight. I don't know. Let's say that they have a job. They work a 9 to 5, okay? They're not broke. They have money to pay for something because that's a big topic in the fitness niche, right? Like sometimes people don't have the money to pay for the stuff. This is a good start, right? And if you guys have more characteristics for your people, for your avatar, you go list them out. But that's a good start. Now, what are the emotions that this person's feeling, right? We're going to go over here with an arrow and we're going to ask ourselves, what are the emotions? They want to lose weight. They want respect at work and from women. Right, because they're a little overweight. They want to live long. That's huge. Want to live long because they've seen other overweight people in their life die before. You can write that. Die in life, right? So there's some people in their life that have died, and that really hurts them because they see that and they don't want to be like that, and so they're really searching for an answer, right? And this is what you have to do with your content. You have to get deep on these emotions, super deep. Those are super painful. If you're not getting super painful, like good luck. Good luck really standing out from the crowd because people respond to emotions. So that's a couple examples. Maybe so those are some desires. Maybe a problem is like energy, low energy, and it's affecting performance at work. It's affecting sex life, right? Like stuff like that. Those are painful. Okay. Now, content topics. This is the big one here. Content topics are all derived from the emotions, right? So let's take one of these. They want to lose weight, right? That's our emotion, and what that is a desire. Okay. Excuse my messy handwriting here. What are some content topics in terms of losing weight? Number one exercise to lose weight. Okay, that's a good one. What else? Success story. How long does it take? Answering questions. How long does it take? Figuring out, we could do like figuring out ideal weight, right? So you guys get the idea here. This is all the topic, or the emotion is losing weight. and I can make multiple topics based on losing weight. Number one exercise, a success story about it, how long it takes, figuring out the ideal weight. And I'm really just answering questions and concerns about it at the end of the day. But they're emotional questions and concerns. And what this does when I start to make content topics around the emotion, it creates this feeling of trust. And people start to trust you, they like you, and they know you. Okay, especially when you answer it, you tell your story. They like you because you're on the same wavelength with them, and they trust you because they're like, oh, he's giving me all the answers. This is amazing. Okay. Now the final piece is you take these content topics and you create hooks off of them. So let's say number one exercise. All right, that's our topic. What's a good hook? We literally the number one exercise. All right, that's not bad. This exercise helped me lose X. This exercise took this guy from this to this, like a before and after. Right? Actually, that's more of like an idea. We can take that like, here we go, stupid iPad. This exercise took him from 350 down to 180, right? Like that. There's another hook. So you guys get the idea. And this is just for this one topic. We then have multiple other hooks here and here and here, right? And what this does is it starts to create this tree where everything stems from the avatar, okay? And then the avatar has its characteristics and whatnot, but that stems into emotion 1, 2, 3, 4, and then each emotion probably has like, I don't know, 10 different content topics, right? Like we can go, actually I'm not gonna go all the way on this. I'll do it over here. You get the idea, right? All these content topics, and then each content topic has like a bunch of different hooks, and it creates this tree. It's like this tree of, we'll call it the content tree. It's like a Christmas tree. No, but we have this content tree, and this is created based on the avatar, right? And so everything flows back, and this is why it works so good. This hook directly comes from a content topic that is derived from an emotion, right? So these two things are packaged up based on an emotion that we know 100% the avatar feels, because all we have to do is put ourselves in the avatar's shoes and say, what are they feeling? What questions are they asking? What pains do they have? What problems do they have? What desires they have? And that emotion comes out. If we make content and hook them based on that, our message equals perfect. And if you guys have watched some of my videos, I'm all about the message. The tactics come second. This is number one. This is number one right here. And then number two is the tactics. And the tactics are like the editing, the profile picture, the bio, the time you post, the font, like all that shit is tactics. Like using automation. This is all tactics. None of this, like this shit doesn't work if the message isn't on point. And so your primary objective as somebody building a brand is to get all of this on point. Go and do this exercise and get this perfect. Get this super down pat perfect so that the message is perfect, and then you can do the tactics and it adds the multiplier. Like this is the main thing. You can do all the perfect editing all day, but if you're boring as shit and you don't relate to anybody, you're not going anywhere. It won't matter. And so you start with the message, you dial it in, you get really deep into the emotions of that avatar, you make sure you're packaging up with the right content topic and the hook, and then you add you add the tactics later, So, look guys, that's exactly how it's done. This is exactly how we've grown millions of followers, gotten billions of views, literally billions of views. I've posted over 100,000 pieces of content on the internet doing exactly this, or between me and like the agency and whatnot, my team has posted that much. And so if you like this video, please subscribe. Like I'm dropping a video like this almost every day. So make sure you subscribe to our channel here, Launch Socials. Again, my name is Nick. I've been doing this for 5-6 years now. And look, if you want help with this and you're like, wow, dude, I like this. This is amazing, but I don't even know where to go from here. Like, how do I use this hook? Do I put it in a tweet thread? Do I put it in an email? Do I put it in a video, a short form, long form, this, that? What do I do? There's so many moving parts still. Like, you went over a lot and answered questions, but I don't know. you should submit an application below and work with us, or get some information on working with us, because we can help you take all of this, bundle it up the right way, and build a sick brand. I've done it with hundreds of people. I can do it with you, as long as you're willing to grow and you believe you need a system, and a system will help you, right? If you're willing and you believe we can help, so you should go down below. You should submit an application, because I can help you take this stuff and go to the next level 100%. I've done it many, many times, and I'd like to help you do the same. So submit that application below. And if you're just here, you like the videos, make sure you subscribe. And look, guys, I'll see you in the next video.